going to do a little bit of a unboxing here. We have a very nice box opener. Something a lot smaller here. The Mistel, fold that up. Baracco MD770 with RGB. It's a very simple box. Let's go ahead and open this up. One simple tab, and that slips out, and we open it. And here we have, I gotta be careful taking this out because for those who are unfamiliar with the Mistel M770, there's a split in the middle. You can't really see it here because it is put together. Here's how the keyboard looks on its own. It's wrapped in this plastic. You can actually see the kind of gap right there. So let's just take this plastic off real quick. And I'll demonstrate a little bit more closely what I am referring to. Ta-da! So the reason you would want the keyboard to be able to split into the two halves is because if you're typing kind of, you know, proper the technique, you would have your hands on one side of the rows, you will type with this one, while you have the other one typing that way, and you can have them arranged into a more ergonomic position, which I can't really demonstrate right here because of the placement of the camera nearby. Now they do kind of slot into each other, and it's a friction fit, so it's not like it's clipping in or locking or anything, but like if it's laying flat on a desk or something, it should be able to stay close enough together to use it as a normal 10 keyless. So as we can see here, there's no number pad, so it's 10 keyless, but it still has all the F keys across the top, so it is not a 60%, which is what I was hoping for. Comes with our manuals. Just the literature and kind of the description of how things work. Not necessarily going to go into any kind of like operation or use case or anything. Well, use case, but nothing like that just yet. This is just the unboxing. You can also take note, there are a number of USB ports on the top of each half of the Mistel. Looks like they are USB Type-C. I think that if it'll zoom this close, definitely looks like USB Type-C. And I know it's because to make both of these halves work, there is a few cables, which we will open up from over here. So we have this long one. It's got USB-C on both ends, which you would use to link the two halves to each other if you're using them both. And what I understand, you can use this side separately, or you can use them both together. And they link together with this cord. And then we have this one, which would be to link it all to the computer. This is just another USB to a fat USB. So it's USB, fat USB on that side, and a USB Type-C on that side. We have some other things in here. So we have one of these, which is from what I understand, a USB cap removal device. So if you wanted to, these are mechanical and they're cherry. We got the ones with BMX blues. Listen to that sound. So if you wanted to put your own custom keycaps on, you could. I probably won't. And it looks like we have a bag of replacement keycaps, including, it looks like they tossed in one full-size spacebar if you don't plan on using it split at all. Or if you for some reason don't want to have, I guess, two separate spacebar buttons. Oh, that's cool. There's one here with a, I don't know if I can get it to zoom right, a plane. I'm not going to take all these out and look at them right now, but when I do a more full in-depth review, because I'm really planning on doing a more full in-depth review, that's something I will probably take a look at. Now we also have these little elevating feet, if I can get it to zoom, comes with some screws, and it looks like they're all the same size, but that's so you could put, it's going to be kind of hard to see. We have some like little divots in the four kind of corners, three corners. So you could put two up here and have like a typical kind of tent to it. You could put the two in the middle so you have a more ergonomic like triangle style tent. I'm not sure which one I'm going to probably use yet, if I decide to use any of them, but you know, I'll probably figure that out during the course of the review. As you can see here, I pointed out earlier, it says MX Cherry. I have the blues because I wanted the clickiness. And yeah, that's just about it for the unboxing. The M770 retails at about, in US dollars. Let me get this together real quick. I'll probably throw up an Amazon page listing. Retails for about, I want to say, I think it was $150. It's like around $150, $160. I'll link the Amazon page, store page I used to purchase this one with, although it might be out of stock at the moment because I know the supply was pretty limited. I'll show off one thing that I probably should, because it does say it's RGB. This cable seems very nice. It's got one of these integrated like cloth Velcro loop saver things. Which I'll just loop back around so it's not being loose. It's fairly lengthy. I'd say it's probably about a 6 foot. Yeah, about a 6 foot. So let's plug this one in over here. Let's see if we can get this to start doing some RGB. I think I see. Oh. Main controller is the right side, not the left side. And voila! It comes to life. Full RGB, independent keys. I don't know how to set any of it up yet, but there you have it. Flashing RGB. Get the light real quick. Now, it doesn't shine through the lettering because it looks like the lettering is painted on. I kind of expected that because they do offer a version that just doesn't have, it has blink keys. So it's definitely a keyboard more focused on people that know what they're doing with their typing. Anyhow, that's gonna do it for this unboxing. Your review will come later. That kind of details a little bit more about the experience using it, how it does, and a recommendation on if it's worth purchasing or not. Bye for now.